Okay, so question 23 now. Got the last one wrong, so I'll cut it off. So I'll do it again for you. So it says the catchment area of a dam is 225.6 kilometres squared. If 25 millimetres of rain falls over the catchment area, what will be the increase in capacity of the dam, given that 1 metre cubed holds 1,000 kilolitres? All right, I'll do it in a different colour just so it stands out a bit more. So this is what I know. This is the area. This is how much rain falls. That's going to be like our height. And they've also told me that 1 metre cubed is the same as 10,000 litres, kilolitres. So I'm just going to write that down. So 1 metre cubed equals, was it 1,000? It was 1,000, wasn't it? Kilolitres. All right. Now, here we have area, we have our height. Okay, they're talking about rain falling over a catchment area, and they basically want to know what the increase in capacity of the dam is. So really we're finding volume here. So your basic volume formula is volume equals the area times the height. Now I'm just going to write across because I'm going to run out of room in a minute. So I'll just rewrite what we've got. We've got 25.6 kilometres squared, and we've got, sorry about that, it's misbehaving, 25 millimetres. Now over here, because this talks about 1 metre cubed equaling 1,000 kilolitres, I'm going to change both of these to metres. All right, it's actually easier if you change units before you do any multiplying than it is to try and change them afterwards. So my first problem is I've got kilometres squared and I've got millimetres squared. I need them both to be the same thing. Since that one above was talking about metres cubed to kilolitres, I'm going to change them to metres. So 25.6 kilometres squared, I have to go from kilometres squared to metres squared. So that means I'm going to multiply. So there's 1,000 metres in a kilometre. Now because this is a area unit, I am going to multiply by 1,000 squared. All right, so first of all, I'm going to convert that one. When I do that on my calculator, I get 256, and hopefully you get the same when you have a go, and 5 zeros. That's my answer now in metres squared. All right. So the reason I'm doing this is this is one is in millimetres and this one's in kilometres. They're not the same. They have to be the same. So now let's change the 25 millimetres to metres. So millimetres to metres, that means we're going along the bottom of your length diagram. So I'm going to divide, and I know there's 1,000 millimetres in a metre, so I'm going to divide by 1,000. When I do that, I get 0.025. All right, beautiful. So now I'm doing volume, and to do volume, I have to multiply. So multiply those two on my calculator, and I get 640,000 metres cubed. Now I'm going to run out of room here, so sorry, I'm going to get a little bit smaller. Now over here, if you remember, it said what will be the increase in the capacity of the dam given that 1 metre cubed holds 1,000 kilolitres of water. So if 1 metre cubed is 1,000, then 640,000 metres cubed is, multiplied that by 1,000 is 64, and all those zeros with an extra 3 zeros on the end. Phew. Now since we've only just done scientific notation, let's get our answer in scientific notation. So keep the first two counting numbers, 6 and 4. Remember, that's got to be a number between 1 and 10, so put a dot in the middle, and then count how far have you gone from in between the 6 and the 4 to the very end. So from there to there, I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is 6.4 times 10 to the power of 8. There you go. There's the correct answer. Bye.